It was the summer of 1974. A small team of scientists stood before an audience of leading experts and the world's press to announce their latest discovery. Against the odds, they had taken a simple wildflower and produced a long-needed and highly acclaimed drug. The rest of the world would soon reap the rewards of their breakthrough, and healthcare would never be the same again. The story echoed through lecture halls and colleges for years. Medical students sat in their rows, asking questions, poring over research, and desperately trying to understand the drug. Some went on to graduate as doctors, some nurses and pharmacists, while others joined pharmaceutical companies. Each of them administered, prescribed, marketed and researched the same drug they studied when their hair was longer and their bills were smaller. As the years went by, the drug evolved. Companies began to cut the drug with other ingredients. Some thought it too potent, so watered it down to make it safer. Others made it cheaper by mixing in a few vitamins. Sugar-coated versions soon followed, making the drug sweeter and easier to swallow. Diluted liquids were made available for infants and children. Different brands were formed, each unique in their colour, shape and flavour, with a range of doses provided, depending on what was needed. Customers were faced with shelves upon shelves of choice, from the simple white box to the slick and well-designed, from the basic own brand to the celebrity endorsed. Doctors prescribed the brands they thought were most effective, the ones with the least number of side effects. Companies distributed their brands to other countries, although it was cheaper and easier to package the drug in the same boxes, even though the instructions had not yet been translated. All over the world, experts gave lectures and seminars. They discussed, debated, and often disagreed with each other's research of the drug. They questioned how it should be used and whether training was needed to administer it. Many were keen to explore future innovations of the drug and the effect it would have on the industry. Books were published and manuals written, conferences began and clinical trials continued. It wasn't long before the drug was available everywhere. In some places it became big business, while in others simply a means to an end. But amid the private hospitals and aid agencies, diverse brands and varying doses, one detail still remained overlooked. In every city, on every street, the drug grew wild in the cracks of the pavement.